boys and girls, good morning, staff. I am here this morning to share with us a brief on the power of time management. I need you to look around you. In this hall, there is potential. I see every one of you with different potential, different skills, different goals, different aspirations and dreams. But I would like to let you in on a secret. The most valuable asset that you have in achieving your goals is not your intellect, it's not your resources, it's not your talent. The most valuable asset that you have is your time. Every one of us in this room will have 24 hours in a day. The difference between those who achieve great things and those who merely get along with it lies in how they have mastered the skill of time management. I can see that our time is not straight. So I'll just quickly share 3 strategies with every one of you that you can use in managing your time. The first one is called must do strategy. Many students and of course staff claim to be busy. We do a lot, but unfortunately, we are not productive. To be busy means you are doing so many things, but to be productive means doing the right things. That's the first strategy. The second strategy, but before I go, what action you need to do for you to always do things is for you to tell yourself that there is no time and that whatever thing that you have been asked to do must be done. The second strategy is what I call the 5-minute rule. 5-minute rule. And this 5-minute rule conquers procrastination. We all procrastinate. Every one of us puts off our big task because at times they feel very overwhelming. The key to conquering procrastination is for you to start. Like I said, because of time, I'll go straight to the third strategy. The third strategy for you to manage time is what I stole from a researcher. The researcher calls this strategy Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro technique. And what does the Pomodoro technique? What does it mean? It is a technique that is used to conquer and manage our time with a belief that focus is power. telling ourselves that whatever we need to do on those devices, we need to be focused. And in life, that explains why we have 46 or 51 or 60 restrictions on the devices. Finally, I'll conclude. I'll leave it with a few words. Olamide has given us a quote this morning. I'm going to share 3 quotes on time management. And I hope that one of these 3 quotes will keep resonating throughout the school. The first quote is from a man called Benjamin Franklin. That guy that is on the dollar note. And he says that, does thou love life? Then do not squander time. For that is what life is made up of. Unquote. Time is life. Don't throw it away. Don't throw it away on things that don't matter. Especially things that don't matter to your future. The second quote quickly is from someone called Maya Angelou. Maya says that, I quote, you can't use up creativity. You can't use it up. The more you use creativity, the more you have creativity. This applies to your energy and your time. Use your focus on whatever things, and you will find that you have more to give. And finally, I also have a quote for you. My quote is this: do not wait for anyone or anything to motivate you. Strike. Start with organizing. Organize your day. Organize your space. Organize your notes. Organize your environment. And you will discover that you are in power. You are already in power to manage your time. You all have potential.